Welcome to my channel. Hey beauties! Tired of dry, damaged hair that just won't behave? Today I'm sharing the Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask, a luxurious treatment with Japanese rice extract that helps repair breakage, reduce split ends, and leave your hair soft, shiny, and strong again. If you've been searching for that salon-quality hair rescue at home, you're going to love this review. So let's dive right in. Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask. The Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask is an indulgent, professional-grade treatment designed to restore life, strength, and radiance to very damaged hair. Enriched with the exceptional power of Japanese rice extract, this luxurious mask penetrates deeply to nourish, repair, and fortify each strand from the inside out. If your hair has been exposed to excessive styling, coloring, bleaching, or heat tools, this hair mask is your ultimate reset button. Formulated specifically for those struggling with breakage, split ends, and weakened hair structure, the Ultimate Reset Hair Mask works to repair cumulative damage while protecting hair against future stress. Unlike ordinary conditioners, this treatment offers a deep infusion of nutrients to rebuild resilience, restore smoothness, and leave your hair touchably soft and radiant. The texture of this mask is rich yet lightweight, gliding effortlessly through the hair for even distribution without weighing it down. With regular use, you'll notice a visible transformation. Hair feels stronger, healthier, and more manageable, while breakage and split ends are dramatically reduced. At the heart of this formula lies Japanese rice extract, a time-honored beauty secret known for its restorative and strengthening properties. For centuries, Japanese women have used rice water for its ability to nourish, protect, and add natural shine to the hair. Shu Uemura brings this heritage ingredient into a modern, high-performance mask to give your hair the luxury treatment it deserves. Whether your hair is color-treated, chemically processed, or simply stressed from daily styling, this mask offers intensive care to reset and revive. It doesn't just coat the hair's surface, it rebuilds from within, ensuring lasting strength and vitality. Benefits: nourishes and repairs very damaged hair, penetrates deep into the fibers to restore strength and health, reduces breakage and split ends, hair becomes more resilient and less prone to damage, strengthens strands, fortifies hair against future stress and wear, adds softness and shine, leaves hair feeling silky smooth with a healthy, radiant glow. Professional-grade luxury care, salon-quality results at home for long-term hair health. Suggested use: for best results, use the Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask as a weekly treatment. Begin with freshly shampooed hair. Apply a generous amount of the mask to wet hair, focusing on mid-lengths to ends, where damage is most visible. Gently massage through the strands to ensure even coverage. Leave in for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the formula to deeply penetrate and repair. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. For extremely damaged or chemically processed hair, pair this mask with other products from the Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Collection to achieve the most effective, long-lasting results. Why choose Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Hair Mask? Shu Uemura is renowned worldwide for merging the power of natural ingredients with advanced hair care science. This hair mask embodies that philosophy, bringing together the nourishing strength of Japanese rice extract with cutting-edge formulation to deliver a treatment that is both gentle and transformative. If your hair has been through bleaching, coloring, heat styling, or environmental stress, this mask gives it a second chance, restoring elasticity, resilience, and beauty. Week after week, your strands become smoother, stronger, and healthier, helping you regain the confidence of having hair that looks and feels amazing. With its luxurious feel, high-performance results, and heritage-inspired formula, the Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask is more than just a treatment. It's an essential ritual for anyone who wants to keep their hair nourished, protected, and stunningly beautiful. Transform your hair from fragile and broken to soft, strong, and radiant with the Shu Uemura Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Hair Mask, because even the most damaged hair deserves a fresh start. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.